Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, then hi, my name is Kalpana. So what's up, how you all are doing today? So as the title suggests, I'm doing a college makeup look today. Very simple, very easy. When I was in college, I knew nothing of the makeup, just the very basic stuff. Kajal, lipstick, eyeliner, just these three products. I wish I knew a little more because makeup is fun, but anyway, if you're in college or office and just stepping into this makeup world, all you have to do is sit back, watch this video, and with a little practice you will transform your complete look in few minutes. And mind it, whatever products I'm using in this video today, they are super budget friendly, because I know when you are in college or when you are just starting with makeup, you do not want to invest in a lot of expensive products, because you will be wasting a lot of product, you will be practicing a lot, and you just don't want to invest a lot of money there. So I completely understand. It's really hot in Delhi now, and switching off my AC and fan to talk to you guys like this, it's very difficult. I don't know if I could survive, so the rest of the video will be in voiceover. So yeah, let's get started. I'm using Pond's Light Moisturizer to really moisturize my face. I completely like this moisturizer. This is so good. But I'm using few other moisturizers also apart from this one. But whenever I'm filming any video, this is what comes in my hand. For sunscreen, I'm using this one from Neutrogena. Guys, make this a thumb rule: never step out without your sunscreen. It can just protect your skin from all the damage that sun can actually do. Few people apply their sunscreen first and then top it with their moisturizer, but that is something doesn't work for me. I apply my sunscreen after moisturizer. For base, I am using Garnier BB cream. If you are not a fan of BB cream, you can use some other foundation which is light and comfortable for daily use. To apply BB cream, I'm using a damp beauty blender. You can use a foundation brush or your fingers to apply your base product, but a beauty sponge works better for me. Always apply your base product on your neck and ears too, so that everything looks complete and nothing looks very distinct and different. To set the creamy base that I have right now, I'm using Lakme Compact. Now this has some amount of SPF also, so in case you forget applying your sunscreen, which you shouldn't, or your sunscreen doesn't have enough SPF, it could be like an added advantage. I'm setting the places where I sweat the most. To fill my brows, I'm using my usual Innisfree eyebrow pencil. Now, eyebrows are something I cannot recommend anyone to skip in any case. Eyebrows can transform your look, like literally. I'm just filling the gaps and also shaping them a little bit so that they looks little pointy and they are in the shape that I like them to be. Now for eyeliner, I have two options. Both are from Lakme. The one is black in color and the other one is Regal Green. I think that's what the name of this color is. Anyway, I'm going to link all the product details in my description. I'm in a mood of playing with colors in today's look, so I'm going with the green color. These Lakme eyeliners are very affordable and perfect for beginners. They are not waterproof, but with the price that they come for, it performs fairly good. I'm just applying a very thin liner and also slightly winging it. You can completely skip the wing because it needs a lot of practice. Next, I'm tightlining my lower and upper lash line. Now this kajal is from Lakme. It's from their iconic range. I'm coating my eyelashes with mascara to make them look elongated and voluminous. Maybelline has quite a variety in mascaras and most of them are so good. You can just pick any of them. For lipstick, I have picked this Nykaa lipstick from their So Matte collection. The name of the shade is Naughty Nude. It is a semi-matte peach nude lipstick. A fun fact, guys, this was the first branded nude lipsticks that I used and it was so beautiful that it made me fall in love with nude lipsticks. Since this lipstick has creamy formula, this isn't very long lasting and also not transfer proof. This is also kind of a little more creamier than my liking, so I'm gonna make it matte using the same compact that I used to set my face. I'm just applying the compact on my lip. This will make the lipstick matte. Ta-da! Zero transfer. But applying powder on lips does make them look very dry and flat, something which I'm not a big fan of. So I'm just going back to the same lipstick and kind of stamping it on my lip. You can just stop right here, but if you have watched my office makeup video, then you must be knowing that I'm a big fan of blushy cheeks even for a daily makeup look. Since the color of this lipstick looks so good as a blush, I'm using the same lipstick and putting it on my cheekbones, tip of my nose and also a little bit on my chin and just blending it softly with the help of my fingers. Another fun fact here, guys, I have used this particular lipstick as my blush for one complete year. With that, we completed this easy, fresh looking college, office or any casual outing makeup look. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. And let's give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you soon. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.